What's up, everybody? It's Wolf. How you guys doing today? Today we are down in Southgate, I believe, and we are getting a motorcycle. We're at the Honda dealership. This is awesome. I'm so glad I bought this bike and I'm doing this. Woo! Sheesh! We got the lake right here. Ooh, what if I take a picture right there? Hell yeah. Alright, we're already doing bike life shit. This isn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be, man. I was so nervous about riding on the road and how the experience would be, and I will say I am thoroughly excited and impressed. Holy shit. God, that feels insane on a motorcycle, dude. Wow. It's fun, it's fast. Is it like fucking titties to the fucking wall? Not really. Do I need titties to the wall? Probably not. Not yet, man. I need to skill myself before I get a different bike that's crazy fast, and then it's like super torquey, you know, stuff like that. Like, I gotta be, I feel like, in a better position as a rider. Keaton's wild. Woo! Sheesh! I don't have the balls for that stuff, man. Not yet. That's the fastest I've ever cornered. Oh my god, this is wild. Yeah, no, I do not like this.
2 days later.
We hit 103. Yeah, let's try something. We did it. Oh, it ain't that bad. Okay, we're doing a 1-month celebration, baby. I love bikes. Oh, I'm so glad I got this bike. So glad. Life is good, man. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. 66 and 6 at 666 miles. Yay! Alright, so I fucked up earlier. I got off the bike to eat. My weight was like super shifted. So right here got all scratched. Right here's a little scratch. The mirror came loose. It's fine. And then like we scratched the you can see like right here a little bit. But I mean, I don't know. It is what it is. I was literally in the parking spot. Fucking going like literally less than a half mile an hour. It was going like this slow, and my weight was super turned because I was trying to like turn the bike a full 180, and I hit the front brake too hard and it literally just shifted me sideways. So dumb mistake. You should know better. Is what it is though. Middle lane's fine, baby. What a turd. Hydration. Choke yourself while you're at it too. Whew. Oh, dude, I love the muffler delete. What's up, baby? How y'all doing? We're back. We're at 993 miles. In 1,000 miles, let's go. We did it. Shout out the Rebel. I love this bike. It's been a great bike. I've already made my video on things that I love and I hate about it, so, I mean, you know that. But I love it. Like overall, I'd say the bike is like a 7.5, 8 out of 10. In my opinion. Again, I've never ridden another, well, that's a lie. In my class, I got to ride like a Ninja. So I rode the Rebel 300 and then I rode a Ninja 300 just to try it out. And like, yeah, I like the Ninja and stuff, but this was more my vibe. I didn't really want to get like a 650 or anything like that. I've explained it before. I don't need to really explain it again. And I felt like even with the 1100, I didn't want to spend 10 to like 13 grand. It would probably be around $12,000 to $13,000 after tax and all of that to get an 1100. So I don't know. I love this bike. I'm glad that I got it, and I'm glad that it has enhanced my life for the better. To be honest, it's one of the things that make me feel good. That was a very bad turn. I was not paying attention to what I was doing, but it's one of the things that make me feel good. And I've always loved bikes and riding bikes, so and there she is in all her glory. Hopefully you all enjoyed that video. It's been fun riding the bike. It's been fun making the videos. It's been fun doing all of this. Obviously, we're going to keep going, and we're going to keep making videos until we can't with the season. Obviously, in Michigan, we get a lot of rain and snow starting in the next few months. So, yeah, we've literally never washed our bike. We got all these beautiful bugs up on here. It's a little dusty. So we'll probably get out and we'll go wash it. Make a video washing and riding. The exhaust, I will say, just overall, I really do enjoy the bike. I think it's a quality bike for the price and what you're getting. Decently fast. It's not horribly fast, right? It's not crazy. It's not an 1100. It's not a 1450 or whatever. It's not that, right? It's a good intermediate cruising bike, and that's what I really wanted. I didn't want to have something that's super crazy and on the walls, right? Like I will eventually, but to start, this is what I wanted. It's not too heavy. It's not like a bagged out Harley, and yeah, that's my goal. I want to like make it into like a cruiser, cafe type bike. Get rid of the rear fender, do the fender delete, upgrade the seat, get the side saddlebag, and yeah, potentially thinking about some other changes as well. With the muffler, it's kind of loud. I don't know if the Radiant would even be any different, but I believe Radiant or Low Star, they make an adapter piece that goes right here And with that, we can, it'll muffle the sound a little bit better than this would, and we can keep that look with this exhaust tip and this muffler tip, if that makes sense, because I don't like how the stock muffler looks. I went through and removed the rubbers, so we have stock pegs that are MX style. They're pretty nice. They grip pretty well on my my Vans. It's basically like your brake and your clutch lever. Well, your clutch actually is covered. That's my bad. I lied. But yeah, either way, it's an awesome bike. I enjoy it quite a bit. I think it serves its purpose. You know, we can go decently fast. If you want to hit over 90 on it, you can do that. I guess that maybe if you're a lighter person, I don't know if you weigh more than 150 how you're gonna go, but I'm light. I weigh 12 pounds, and to me it's good. The seat kind of sucks for the SE, I'm not gonna lie. I like the headlight cowl. I think that adds a little bit of character to the bike as well. I do like this here. I don't necessarily like these. I was thinking about maybe taking these off and rocking the chrome underneath it. If we can pop this up, you can see it's just a shock cover. So, I mean, it's nice for that purpose, but I don't know, I don't really like how it looks. I think it looks kind of cheese. But yeah, that's basically it. Complaints, the screen kind of has like a burn-in when it's on, like right here, and you can see that. It's from, you can't see it now, but like when the screen's on you can. It's from the light, the sunlight, and I don't know what that is. I've also had issues with the cluster where if you downshift too fast, and you're not, if you're going between like 2 gears, so like if you go from like 4th to 2nd, because you're slowing down dramatically fast, but like you don't shift into 4th to 3rd to 2nd, if you go 4th to directly to 2nd, it does not like that, and it fucks with the cluster, and it cannot figure out what gear you're in. So I don't know if it's because of how I'm driving or if it's the cluster or what, but that's been annoying. I'm trying to figure out if I can upgrade to the Rebel 1100 cluster, because I think that would be nice because you have the RPM tack. Just overall a better cluster. And potentially as well, I don't know if I can get an aftermarket ECU or like an 1100 ECU and throw the 1100 ECU on there. But I mean, dude, I don't know. This engine should be able to take a little bit more than what it's doing. There's got to be a way to tune it, just for fun. Obviously, it's not that I want more speed. I just want to see what we can get out of this engine, right? I mean, obviously, there's the sprocket changes, the da-da-da-da-da. I'm kind of sad I got the ABS, and I feel like it comes in handy, but it's also weird at certain points. Like, it kicks in, and I'm like, fuck, why are you doing this? Like, it just made things sketchier for me. But yeah, I don't know. Overall, awesome bike. I've rambled a lot more than I planned to in this video at the end here. So hopefully you all enjoyed. If you did, like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.